There are 1.2 million people in BC currently on the wait list to see a medical specialist, delaying critical care. Without timely access to specialist care, problems can't be caught early, which means they can be even worse when the patient finally does see a doctor. Neurologist Dr. Robert Carruthers knows. He thinks of one patient
who over 18 months started to experience slowly worsening balance and more difficulty walking, and he was referred to a neurologist, but the wait times were too long, and in that time he started to experience accelerating decline.
The patient was ultimately hospitalized, diagnosed with aggressive multiple sclerosis.
Because he was doing so badly, he needed chemotherapy. So, if you wind it back, like if he had been able to see a neurologist sooner, then he might not have worsened to the point that he needed chemotherapy.
According to a recent survey by Consultant Specialists of BC, average wait times for a first consult are 4 weeks for urgent cases and up to 10 months for non-urgent ones. Dr. Carruthers says that it's a clear long-term effect on people.
Unfortunately, even despite very aggressive appropriate treatment, this gentleman did not get back to where he was before he got sick, so he lost ground. He's going to be less productive. His quality of life is worse.
Consultant Specialists of BC and Doctors of BC had been talking with the Ministry of Health since 2022, working on a plan to create a central specialist wait list with better data to understand the problem.
We got the notice in December that there was no ability for the government to continue working on it with us, and all funding was pulled.
In an email statement, the Health Ministry contests that, saying they have a funding proposal from the doctors' groups, but asks for more data which shows the work will actually improve wait times. Meanwhile, people like Dr. Carruthers' patient continue to fall through the cracks.
He could be living a much better life right now if the system was working better for him.
In Vancouver, Jack Morse, City News.